to EnduringTechnologyPress.com, and I'm working on welding up a friend's grist mill. We're doing a little bit of a trade. I'm getting a 3D printer from him, and I'm giving him a grain mill. And I've got here the number 6 most important tool that you can get, and that's the MIG welder. MIG welder, really, and it's the third welder that I got. Actually, after that, I started with arc stick welding, moved over to oxyacetylene, got that set up. I got plasma. I got a couple engine-driven stick welders, including one that's driven by Slant 6, a Hobart Brothers, really big welder driven by a Slant 6 Chrysler industrial motor. And it was only after I had all that and plasma that I picked up a MIG welder. And this is a Harbor Freight. It's Chicago Electric. It's 170 amp unit 1, and it is really, really good. Now, I'm not going to give up any of my other welding equipment, and I particularly enjoy the oxyacetylene, and particularly with the ability to do stainless steel very easily with that, in a reasonable cost using acetylene and oxygen. But man, compared to the learning curve for stick welding, even though stick welding can do a lot of really heavy material, and I wouldn't give it up, MIG welding, whether it's with flux core or with shielding gas, is just so easy to learn. Really, if you can pull the trigger, you can weld. And so that's why it's fairly high on the list of must-have tools. It's also pretty reasonable in price. You're looking at a 170 amp Harbor Freight one running about 150 bucks, I think, when you get them on sale. And that's a really reasonable tool for the capacity that it adds to your shop. So, and particularly given how easy it is to master the use of this, it really is probably a great tool for everyone's shop. Now, you might have to downgrade if you don't have 220 circuit, or make a few amendments, figure out an adapter that'll work with either your dryer or your electric range. Those are options if you don't have it in your garage or shop, or use a generator. I know a few friends that run them off generators. But this is really just a great tool, and I've got to get back to working with the MIG and finishing up the grain mill. So for this and other cool thoughts and hints and tips to empower your independence, go to EnduringTechnologyPress.com. Thanks.